have here is a tutorial or a how-to using your Notepack when it comes to modeling the Earth, Sun, and seasons. So this is page 18 of your Notepack. This is what we did in class. Remember the notes for detailing the 6/21 or June 21st solstice on the left and 12/21 or December solstice on the right are on Schoology to help you. Make sure those notes are complete. Now for homework, what you're going to do is not on page 18 but on the facing page 19 is you're going to make a somewhat of a duplicate, but it'll have some very important differences. So the most important thing to keep in mind is we're going to flip the position of the solstices. So for example, this was 6/21 or June 21st on the left. We're going to make the right here 6/21. So we're going to write 6/21 right here next to this right-hand position. So again, previously on the left on page 18 for June 21st, now it's on the right. Over here, this will become 12/21 or December 21st on the left. Again, that's a swap or flip from the notes above. You're going to do the exact same things that you did prior. You're going to have the tilt of the Earth, but instead of tilting to the right, you're going to tilt to the left, because obviously if the dates are swapped, then the hemispheres, northern or southern, that are getting more insolation are going to be switched as well. And you're going to do a quick North Pole, South Pole mark. And you're going to do that on all four. But we're only going to create notes for tonight for the solstices. So I like to do all the tilts first, and then go back and do the equators is the way I like to do it. Of course, you can do it if you'd like to do them all, each date individually, you can. I think it's just a little bit brain friendly to do it this way. Now, once you have that set up, I think it's best to do day-night lines as your next step. Just again, just like we did in class. Very light shading, doesn't have to be dark at all. You're not coloring, you're just lightly shading and doing that. If you want to throw a little bit of these, we'll talk about them anyway in class, it doesn't hurt to do it now. A little bit of revolution arrows never hurt. And then what you're going to do is you're going to detail what are the main ideas when it comes to December 21st and what are the main ideas when it comes to June 21st. If you are wanting to make this a bit challenging, what I would do is probably take your reference tables and put it on top of page 18, and then you can kind of slow reveal it and peel it away. Remember though that your notes on the left are going to become your notes on the right, and vice versa. Your notes on the right for December on the page 18 will become the left-hand notes for page 19. Remember that it's important to emphasize the length of daylight hours and the length of darkness when it comes to those hours, and then the height of the sun around noontime, or what we call solar noon. Remember to see Schoology, obviously, for additional notes, where I'll actually take a picture of the things I just mentioned and give you kind of some hints there. Put that on there to help you. And remember also to make sure these notes are all caught up, as those will also be posted for those who were trying to make sure they got every important item. Those will be on Schoology with this accompanying assignment in this video link. Hope this is all helpful, and I will talk to you tomorrow.